What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage here at the auction. Got a little unusual Mercedes here. Not too many people know about this particular Benz because it was only offered for a couple of years, already discontinued. It's the A class. A is an apple, and this is an A220. A 2019, which I think was the first year they were offered, and they ran to about 2022, I believe, and they discontinued them. I don't know if it was slow sales or what the deal was. You know, you have a C class, which is Mercedes, you know, the smallest car forever, and then you have the CLA class, which is even smaller. And then they came out with this A class, which was supposed to be like a $30,000 Mercedes for young people. They were trying to attract a younger crowd. It's a good looking little car, but it is tiny. This one has only 31,000 miles. It's a 2019, traded in back to the Mercedes store. Decent leg room in the back. I mean, for such a small car. Got a nice big sunroof. This one's got most of the options. It's got the heated seats right here on the door.
What do you want to do?
Very small infotainment screen, which I'm surprised, but it does have the digital screen for the driver's area with all your controls. Doesn't look like you have adaptive cruise on this model. Do have paddle shifters. I like the cool little round vents. Those are nice. It's a cool little car. Little bitty 4-cylinder. This particular one has a crack in the windshield, but it looks pretty clean overall. Let's take it for a little test drive. It's got the sport mode and economy mode, comfort mode. I just chose comfort. This is the first time I've ever even seen one of these before in person. It drives really well, like, you know, any newer Mercedes would. The fact that it's small doesn't make a difference. Not sure what engine transmission combo this has, but I'm gonna guess somewhere around 2 liters. Turbo, probably about 220, 240 on the horsepower, I'm guessing. Like I said, A class. This is an A220. I don't know a whole lot about them, but I know they were offered for just a couple of years. Oh, and it is mad that I don't have my seatbelt on. All right, let's see what kind of giddy up she's got. A little slow off the line. Ooh, but then the turbo builds, and I'll run out of track. Can't hit 60 on this track because I've run out of room. Nice little car. Climate control's all right here. Of course, I don't know how to use it. I've got it on auto. I want it as cool as I can get it to be. Okay, we're good. Anyway, tell me what you guys think about the A220. I have absolutely no idea what this car will sell for tomorrow. I don't know what the market is for them. But I imagine it's going to probably sell somewhere in the teens, maybe mid to high teens. I've got tons of headroom in this car. It's really very nice. I like it a lot. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about the little Mercedes A220. And I gotta find its parking spot. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, here it was next to the big S class. We'll see you next time. Peace.